We start with a live look across the Bay Area where nearly every county is recommending people to mask up indoors regardless of vaccination status. Just hours ago, Napa, Monterey, and Santa Cruz counties joined the list. Here's why. The positivity rate across the state has now topped 4%. It's around 1% in San Francisco, Alameda, and Contra Costa counties. KPIX5's Devin Fehley is live in San Jose where some businesses are pushing back against the new mask rules. Devin?
Yeah, once again, business owners and in particular restaurant owners say they feel like they're caught in the middle between an unpopular mask policy and members of the public who are frankly fed up with restrictions.
My staff doesn't want to wear masks, and I certainly don't.
Jim Angelopoulos says his business is back and better than before the pandemic, but requiring people to wear masks again, he says, feels like a step backwards.
Why should my staff who have gotten vaccinated go back to wearing masks? They don't like it. Masks are very restrictive, especially in this type of environment.
On Friday, public health officials from 7 Bay Area counties recommended that everyone, vaccinated or not, wear a mask indoors, in public, as a, quote, added layer of protection for unvaccinated residents. Yuriko Fulcher agrees.
For now, I still wear a mask. For the crowded place.
Her husband, David, who is also vaccinated, has ditched his mask.
Not opposed to a person who wants to wear a mask. For me personally, I don't like to wear a mask.
And caught in the middle are businesses like Jack Holder's, whose owner, Dan, says he doesn't want to be the mask police.
If they come in through that door and I approach them and say, I'm sorry, in order to eat inside, you're going to have to wear a mask. But if they can't dine inside, they will likely leave.
Dan says he questions if it's fair to ask everyone, all of us, to wear a mask to protect people who aren't protecting themselves.
Does it become a punishment to require the vaccinated to wear a mask to protect the unvaccinated?
You know, right now we just don't know. The reason why we're going through this is because there are vaccinated and unvaccinated people that we don't know who's vaccinated. So at some point, are they going to ask customers to mask up, Devin?
You know, the short answer is probably not unless it becomes an actual requirement. Many business owners say that they believe that people have the right to choose, the right to determine what precautions they think are reasonable. Now, we know that masks work, we know that vaccines work, but not unless you can convince people to utilize them. But business owners say, when did it become their job to do that?
Not an easy situation, that's for sure, Devin. Thank you so much.